Staring at a blank page, wondering what to write for your SaaS company? While your competitors are publishing content that drives leads and sales daily, you're still struggling to get started, and what you do manage to get started, you're not consistent with. So let me make an introduction. Meet Explode, the all-in-one content marketing platform that's transforming how SaaS companies create content. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how you can 10 times your content output while actually reducing your workload. It starts with our content bank feature. Instead of ad hoc or random blog posts that go nowhere, you'll create strategic content pillars that build massive authority in your niche. Think of the content bank as your content marketing machine's engine. Then watch the magic happen. Our 7-stage content system uses a high-impact hub-and-spoke approach. One well-written piece of original content transforms into dozens of assets: YouTube scripts, social media posts, email newsletters, and more. Remember, those ideas in your content bank? They become hundreds of pieces of engaging content that keep working for you 24/7. The best part, you only focus on creating core hub content. Our AI team handles most of the rest. These aren't generic AI writers either. They're specialists trained in your niche and your product features. Imagine having a content team that never sleeps, never complains, and always delivers. Every piece of content is optimized using our built-in SEO and SaaS sales tools. No more guessing. We've cracked the code on what makes SaaS content rank and convert. Watch your visitor-to-customer pipeline fill up automatically. The result? Your content calendar transforms from this to this. And your dashboard? It becomes a growth tracking powerhouse, showing you exactly how your SaaS empire is expanding. Here's the thing, while you're watching this video, kicking the can, still trying to figure things out, other SaaS founders are already using Explode to dominate their market. But this is your moment to change the game. Start your free trial now and watch as your sporadic content efforts transform into an unstoppable lead generation engine that delivers qualified customers while you sleep. Your competitors won't know what hit them. Join the SaaS companies who've already transformed their content game. Visit Explode today. Your free trial is waiting.